Welcome to Saanvi's World. I'm Saanvi. Today I'm going to a farmer's market, and over there I'm going to pick some apples. You can meet farmers over there. So I'm going to show you a lot of things, and it's a little chilly outside, but it's a good temperature, and there are going to be a lot of people there. I'm sure for that. So come on, let's go. So here there are a few fruits and vegetables. So over here there are bananas, blueberries, a lot of fruits and vegetables at the farmer's market because it's called the farmer's market. So here there are blueberries. They look pretty good and I feel like I should buy them, but let's see some more things. So over there are some green apples, red apples, then some pineapples. Over here there are a few clothings. I love the clothes. They look so pretty. So over here it's like a tank top kinda. And wow, there are so pretty dresses. And over here there are a few soaps. These soaps actually smell so like as if a good smell. So over here there are multiple types of soaps. They all smell in a good way. I'm thinking of trying this honey because it looks really good, but there are different varieties, so I'm not sure yet if I should try it or not. And as you can see, there are a lot of people here, as I told you in the beginning. This is sea salt, and you can put it on waffles, basically anything. It tastes good. Oh yeah. Can I do face painting? Go to other stores. So as you can see here, it's like a carpet. I forgot what it's called. You have to put it on your door. It looks so pretty and it's like many designs. And over here it's soap. And these soaps, you can smell them. And over here there are some thread things handmade. And then you can put it on your house.
That one right there is patchouli. There is chocolate. There's Australian sandalwood. This is blood orange. And then this is spruce. Hello, how are you?
Wheel, I'm gonna spin the wheel. I wonder what I'm gonna land on. Ooh, a prize. So I'm gonna pick up a prize from here. Let me see, which one is the best one I should pick maybe. Oh, this is such a big pumpkin. It's so big. I don't know how they growed it or anything, but it's really big. I know that for sure. And over here there are some vegetables. And yeah, bye. Please subscribe to Saanvi's World. And if you have any questions or comments, please post them. Bye.